So something new for Clix wipers is our refills. They're real great because our skins, they stay looking good for a really long time and they outlast our wipers sometimes. So we offer you an inexpensive way to replace out the wiping element, and it's real simple to do. You'll get your replacements, and first thing we want to do is remove the skin, and it's real simple. You see, you can just start peeling it off the top, grab the spline, and just separate them. Real simple. So now we have skin and spline. This is what you're going to get a new one of. Okay. Now we have our new spline with old skin. All right, so let's start by turning the skin over. We'll see that this will channel right into here. So start in the middle, and slide right in, and just push it all the way forward till it reaches the end. Flip it over, make sure everything lines up around the adapter. Flip it back, and then just continue to wrap the skin around the remainder of the spline. Okay, we want to make sure that it's wrapped completely around so it works good during operation. From now, we line up the U channel with the arrow and click it right back on. Brand new wipers in minutes.